make this wild sockeye salmon that I just got from Costco. Super simple. I am literally gonna take it out of the package, put this sauce on it. This is an organic, Simply Balanced General Tso's stir fry sauce, gluten-free, that I got from Target. I've never tried it, but I assume it's good. Every time I make salmon, I just put something different on it every time, but always keep it so simple. Is kind of my motto. So in the past, I have done avocado mayo. I just slather that on the filet. I'll sprinkle dill all over it, throw it in the oven. I've done just lemon juice with dill. That's good too. Otherwise, the organic barbecue sauce, slather that on your filet, throw it in the oven, and that makes for a really good barbecued salmon. Healthy and delicious. And even my kids will eat it. So I'm gonna get this out of the package and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna spray my pan with this avocado oil spray just so that fish doesn't stick so much to the pan, but really not a big deal because the skin will stick and we don't eat the skin here. So some of you might eat the skin. If you do, you're gonna wanna use more oil. All right, I've got my salmon in the pan. Next, I am just gonna pat it dry, get all of that moisture off. I don't normally put aluminum tinfoil on my pan, but for the sake of this demonstration, because my pan isn't very pretty, I use tinfoil. So this is a wild sockeye salmon that I got from Costco. I just prefer this. It's normally darker in color. You can always tell if it's farm raised because it has a lighter pink. The wild caught fish has a better fatty acid ratio of omega-3 fats, which are more anti-inflammatory. So just keep that in mind. Wild caught salmon is always better than farm raised salmon. Next, I'm gonna preheat my oven. I'm gonna preheat it to 350. I just opened up my jar of this organic Simply Balanced General Tso's stir fry sauce that I'm gonna put on the salmon. It's just what I had on hand. And I just have to say that I smelled it and it smells so good. You know what? I might just dump the bowl on because we don't really do anything fancy around here. I'm just gonna do that and then kind of spread it around. So this filet will get us about 2 or 3 meals. My kids don't eat that much. So we'll have this tonight with dinner. Probably do some steamed broccoli, maybe some rice. My kids will eat the rice. And then normally with the leftover salmon, I normally do a salmon chowder or we will just do it with a salad. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and let it sit for a couple of minutes until my oven is preheated. And that'll also give the salmon a chance to marinate for a couple of minutes. All right guys, it's time to put it in the oven. My oven is now preheated to 350 and I'm just gonna put it in the middle and I'm gonna let it bake for about 25 minutes. So now that the salmon is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and start the rice and start steaming the broccoli. I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 servings of the organic basmati white rice, according to Dr. Gundry from the Plant Paradox. If you guys have heard of him, I follow him and use some of his supplements and read his books. According to him, because of the lectin content, this rice, the basmati, is one of the safer ones to eat if you're gonna eat rice. So this is what we're gonna use. And I put some coconut oil into my water just to give the rice a little bit of coconut flavor. I thought that would be nice. All right, it's been in the oven for 20 minutes. I am just gonna add a little bit more sauce to the top, and then I'm gonna stick it under the broiler for the last 5 minutes. I accidentally touched my spoon to the fish, so I don't wanna put my spoon back in the container. Slather that on a little bit. Okay. Gonna stick that back in the oven for 5 minutes under the broiler. All right, so I have it under the broiler on the very top rack, and I'm gonna check on it here probably in about a minute. I just pulled it out from underneath the broiler. I had it under the broiler for 3 minutes. So in total, it's been in the oven for 23 minutes. See how it's flaking apart like that? That's how you know the fish is done. All right, and dinner is served. We've got a nice balanced meal here. We've got our salmon, which is loaded with protein and antioxidants, selenium, and B vitamins. We've got our basmati rice, and we've got our steamed broccoli. So thanks for watching, and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.